You need to hear this if you're a nature enthusiast. Meet the Goliath bird eater, the largest spider in the world. Deep in the rainforest of South America lurks a creature that will make your skin crawl. The Goliath bird eater, the largest spider on Earth. With a leg span of up to 12 inches and weighing over 6 ounces, this arachnid is an absolute beast. And guess what? It doesn't just eat birds, it hunts rodents, lizards, and even snakes. Imagine a tarantula the size of a dinner plate, capable of taking down small animals. Its fangs are nearly an inch long, injecting venom to paralyze its prey. Yikes! But don't worry, humans aren't on its menu. Still, that's one spider you don't want to stumble upon in the dark. So the next time you think of big spiders, remember the Goliath bird eater, the heavyweight champion of the arachnid world. Fascinating, right? Hit that like button if you enjoyed this creepy crawly fact. Subscribe for more thrilling nature stories.